Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to see how to pronounce the D sound. The D sound, it is a sound from the consonant pairs group and it is called the voice alveolar stop. This means that you stop the airflow between your tongue and the ridge behind your teeth. The D sound is made through the mouth and it is voiced, which means that you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound D. Okay? It's definitely by the motion of your tongue, and it is a stop sound, which is a sound made by building up air pressure by stopping air flow and then releasing it. In this case, you stop the airflow, your tongue against the area behind the stop teeth to produce the sound. Block the airflow by placing your thumb behind the top teeth. Then release the pressure by pulling the tongue back into your mouth while voicing out D, D. Okay? Now I'm going to show you some words that we use at the D sound. Okay? Director, data, down, president, die, death, day, do, idea, develop. Okay, these are some of the words that we use at the D sound. Okay, and the anomaly at the D sound are some words that are pronounced almost as the same, but in this time it doesn't have the D sound in the writing. It has many other like T or D or C. Okay, for example, the word to and do, to and do. You can see that it is almost sounds like the same way, but it's different. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye.